Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It will surely help our channel. Happy reading!
Hey everyone, this is chapter 47 of Her Disguise. So let's start reading. Why have I never heard you mention it before? Akala talaga nila si Prince Tuan, no, is the ladder to success. Prince Tuan's words that day were so confusing. I thought he was just joking. Who knew? O, diba? Parang proud na proud yarn. Prince Tuan came all the way to the outskirts to see me. He really cares about you. O, diba? Kala naman nila naka-jackpot sila. Hindi nila alam gaano ka brutal ang Prince Duan na yan. Concubine lang naman yung gagawin niya sa'yo. Concubine pa? Or prime wife? And with the status of your maternal grandfather, even imperial concubine wrong would have to show some respect to you. Wow! Imperial concubine wrong? Minamaliit nyo? Wala, grabe siya. Wala pang ang label yung anak mo. I will definitely bring down the supporting you to become the legitimate wife of Prince Tuan. Wala, grabe. Mother, please don't tease me. Ay, parang na sila, sayang-saya na sila. Happy na kayo, Yarn? Samantalang yung isa is princess talaga. Madam, everything is ready. Nakagigil talaga tong dalawang mag-inang to, no? Our people will disguise as bandits and create chaos at night, taking the opportunity to abduct Miss Bansha. Then they will ruin her purity and dispose of her body in the wilderness. Hala, gagawa nila ng masama si Bansha. Grabe talaga tong mag-inang to, no? Grabe. Nakakagigil. Kalimitan talaga sa mga comics, manhwa, manga, mga evil stepmother. Well, even on fairy tales. Very well. Let's wait until she is asleep at midnight to take action. Di ka ba natatakot sa karma, te? Tamo to isa. But, mother, what if we encounter real bandits in this desolate hills? Oo nga, tapos kayang mapahamak na natin. Ang gulong ng palad ay bilog pa naman. Anong connection? Silly girl, we have people protecting us. What if they're to be afraid of? Moreover, with the cover of the bandits outside the city, no one will suspect us. Wala, akala talaga nila lahat ng bagay umaayon sa kanila. Everything goes on with their plan as what they expected, but we'll see what will happen at night. At night, help! Help! Bandits are here! Diba? Kawawa naman yung mga inosente nadama yan. Dahil sa kalokohan nitong mag-inang to. And bang. Take her alive. Who are you going to take? Si Bansha pa naman, magaling pa naman yan, diba? Lift. She's not here. It's a trap. Mother, help! Bansha wants to kill me. Tamo to? No, Miss Qingdai. Oh, kilala niya, di ba? Kasi nga, matauhan sila ng mother niya. Since you all want me dead, at least I'll take someone down with me to hell. Akala nyo, ha? Akala nyo maiisahan niyo si Bansha. Oh, di ba? O ngayon, takot-takot ka. Kung makapagplano kayo kanina, galing-galing nyo, ha? Mother, think carefully. If you harm me, Qingdai will accompany me to hell. Uh-oh. Aba, You dare to harm your own sister? Ikaw nga eh. Sasaktan mo nga siya. Whether I will harm her or not depends on whether you are willing to spare me. See? Nasa iyo ang desisyon, great mother. O ngayon, payak-iyak ka. Galing kaya nito. Tapang kaya ni Bansha. Let Chengdai die with me or you let me go. Prepare the carriage. Chengdai and I will return to the mansion together. Diba? Ginalit niyo siya. Hurry up and prepare the carriage. We've encountered bandits here. Let's return quickly. O, diba? May ano agad siya. May palusot agad siya. Galing talaga. Basta mga evil-minded people, no? Makakagawa talaga ng palusot na aaproba sa kanila. Kailan kaya mauubos yung mga ganyang tao, no? Move slowly. Shangzu is skilled in martial arts and will capture one of the masked men as evidence for the future. Wala na si Shangzu, di ba? Ay, oo. Siya yung ano. Ano nga si Shangzu? Yung parang butler? Ano nga sa kanila yung butler? Shang Yao is hiding in the room of Nan Juhui, who resides in the mountains. Shangzu will bring her back to the mansion after Jinshi leaves. Okay. We'll see what will happen. Go. And umalis na nga sila. Tingnan natin yan anong mangyayari. Ito kasi mga maids na to, mostly kasi sa kanila mga loyal, tsaka takot din sila makialam. Quick, drive away. Leave no one alive in the temple. We must not leave any trace behind. Olo, even the innocent one? Grabe talaga, ang sama talaga nitong babaeng to. Sumunod naman tong mga, tsulalay niya. Ay, nako. Bakit naman kasi? May mga tao kasing ganyan talaga, yung mga sakim sa kapangyarihan. And they will do everything just to have it. Just to have their way. The people Jinshi hired were all wearing special-made military boots. Military boots. Ang galing niya talaga mag-observe, no? In other words, they are likely from the military camp. But there are so many military camps, it's almost impossible to investigate from this angle. Steering. Anong problema mo? Kayo nga yung nag-umpisa tapos ka pa yung galit. Then nabaliktad lang yung pangyayari. What are you looking at? Turn around. Angry but scared. You're too good at disguising. Kayo kaya yung mga two faces bitch. And swish. Uh-oh, I think that's the real bandits here. Parang ito, totoo na talaga to. Ako, kawawa naman yung yung tawag niyo sa, yung nag-ano ng karwahe. Basta siya. Nagsisigaw pa yung isa, di nakuha nila yung attention. What happened here? Ay, nako, tapos yung kapatid mo nagsisigaw, di syempre. Titrigger yung mga bandits. Next episode, pa-preview na naman tayo, te. Hindi na naman tayo masusurprise. Ladies, I apologize. This carriage belongs to us now. Ooh, blue and yellow eyes. Dalawang color yung mata niya. Ooh, parang pusa. Just like cats. Anyway, that's the end. So the next title of the episode would be Real Bandits. Alright, so please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye!
Thank you for reading with me, everyone.